So today we're going to mount the Bike Buddy on my wife's Bandit 650. Most of your sport cruisers and your sport bikes have a top mount down system. That would mean that on your 5x8 plate, the plate covers the entire unit mounted like so. On the 4x7, a lot of our American friends run those. You will have the same kind of setup, only the plate will not cover the very bottom of the unit, leaving the banner exposed. Blind, can't see what I'm doing. There we go. All right. Now, using the proprietary bit that we give you, make sure you keep this bit because it is a specialty locking fastener, so you don't want to lose this. Put it in with your insurance papers, whatever, so when you buy your next bike and or buy another one, you have that bit. We do supply one with every single purchase, so you're not necessarily going to be without it. And if you lose it, by all means contact us. We'll send you one. Okay, so now that you've got it snug, just line it up with the plate centered on the bike and the unit to the left edge. Okay. So ease of access. People ask, or we get a lot of questions, will it fit my bike? If you have a top-down unit or a top-down mount like this, as long as it's exposed on the left side, so that, let's say, your signal's not in the way or a reflector in the way, this unit will work for you, no problem at all. Be it premium, which is this nice CNC plate that you see here, or the basic unit, which is the laser cut piece. They both fit the same. They both fit the same housing. Nothing changes. The 4x7 plate, basically leaves you no edge on this side and will leave the banner exposed on the very bottom of the unit. So once the Bike Buddy unit is mounted on the motorcycle, it's a good idea every once in a while, let's say when you wash the motorcycle, to take the plate out, just quickly rinse out the inside of the housing. These are all stainless steel innards and nothing in there is going to rust or seize up. It's just a good idea to get rid of the road grime that builds up. You want this thing to be able to easily slide in and out with no binding. So keeping it clean, let's say once a season, all you need to do.